Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Today we're going to take up the UMX Waco. Great plane. Comes in this yellow and black and a white and red. Nice little slow UMX plane where you can fly it anywhere. Going to be flying it off my new runway. Still need 2 more pads left and that'll be completely done. But I think it came out all right. So I can fly a lot more now that the weather's nice. So let's take her up and see what we can do. And there we go. This is a fun plane. I like this biplane. You can fly it nice and slow. Nice and slow. This is full max power. Do another loop for you, nice and gentle. We'll come back over here. Throw her in the air. Take her to the moon. And then, there you go. Gotta be careful doing that.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Just a fun little plane, guys. Do barrel rolls all day long. Fly inverted. Woo, uh-oh. Oof, that was close, guys. That got the heartbeat up because if I did the wrong stick movement, I would have had this thing on the ground in 2 pieces. All right, let's take her in for a landing. As you guys know, RC Flyer is not a good lander of planes. So let's. Nope. See? Again, that jumped and stuff, but we'll get her. Try it again. Again, when you're flying these RC planes, you gotta practice landing. There we go. Yeah. I'll give that a 5 out of 10. Let's do it again. Coming in. Ah, that was a good landing. It's hard to just land on this pad, for me at least. All right. Let's do it again. Another landing.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoop. Huh. Kind of stalled that one out. I was going too slow, guys. A little touch and go that I didn't want to do. Hey, there it is. Let's see if we can. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo. Good park flyer, guys. And this thing does not fly like the Pitts. The Pitts, fast, loud, very maneuverable. This one's more of a slow, easy flight. You're not gonna get into trouble as much. You can do some of the stuff, but the Pitts is way more capable.
1 minute.
Way more capable of, if you like that thing. It's way harder to fly though.
Low rates.
All right, let's take her in for one last landing. And kind of missed the runway there. Oh, we got enough battery power. Let's take her up again. This time I have it in low rates. Usually fly most of my UMXs in high rates, but right now just low rates. 10. There it is. And there's my timer. I do have more time left on the battery, but we're gonna stop this here. Again, guys, the UMX Waco. In the comments section, let me know what you think of this plane. And until the next one, hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching. RC Flyer out.